Don't throw away the coffee mugs, old mugs. You can reuse them as planters very easily without drainage holes. And how to care for the plants in mugs that have no drainage holes? So watch until the end, because these are the plants that I have put in the mugs. So I will narrate all the details. So this will be very useful for those who love to keep these plants as indoor plants. Growing plants in different mugs and coffee cups is a unique idea. And have you ever tried this method? What are the things that you should know? Providing all these requirements for the plants in mugs where there are no drainage holes. So these are the plants that I have planted on these mugs. Pothos plant, wandering Jew, and they are all very beautiful plants. Here I have a aloe vera plant and many pothos cuttings. And here also I have a small spider plant. This is a syngonium, a lucky bamboo. These mugs doesn't have any drainage holes, so I will tell you how to grow them without drainage holes. So the first thing is the soil preparation. You need cocoa peat and sand. So here I have cocoa peat, sand, and also you need some rocks. When you are preparing the mug, since this is clear for you, I took this see-through glass. So first you have to arrange the soil and keep it, and put the rocks first of all like this onto the bottom layer. So after that you can mix cocoa peat and sand as the soil and put it on top of the stone. And select a healthy cutting, whatever the plant that you like to keep in your room or bedroom, or you can keep these mugs inside home, so as indoor plants. So select any cutting and you can put it in the mug. So that is how you plant it. And also you should know, now these plants doesn't need much water. When watering, use the spray bottle method. Do not pour water into the mug. So you can use any colorful kids mugs, broken mugs, and also you can without throwing them, you can reuse them as planters. So one thing I have to tell you, do not expose these plants outside. If they get caught to rain, there will be definitely root rot. So first thing is the soil preparation and then watering. So keep these plants indoors and provide it filtered sunlight. So this is a coffee kettle, ceramic, and no drainage hole. So I have used it because it is pretty old. So now this is also I have used as a planter. Do not overwater these plants. And as I said earlier, the stones will be helpful for controlling the water levels, because they are giving a kind of warmth at the bottom. So you can use pebbles as well, or any decorative stones. So you also can grow plants in mugs where there are no drainage holes. And these are the plants that I recommend having. Cactus are easy to grow in mugs because the plants are very easy growing because they don't need much water. So you also can give it a try to reuse and recycle the waste mugs, ceramic mugs, coffee mugs, to grow plants as beautiful planters. Keep them indoors. So it is highly recommended that you keep these plants indoors as indoor plants, never outdoors, because the mugs that doesn't have drainage holes, if they get exposed to the rain, and the plants will gradually die because of the root rot. So those are the tips of growing and recycling of mugs as planters and growing plants in them. Hope you find it very useful. Thanks for watching. Do not throw away any of the coffee mugs. Use them as planters. You can uh, have them as planters and pot these plants, money pothos, aloe vera, wandering Jew. So they are beautiful planters. You can use them as waste materials. So beautiful planters to your home garden. You can keep them indoors as well. So watch the video how to care for the plants without drainage holes. I have uploaded it to my channel.